In this video, I want to discuss Java for mobile devices. What's the purpose of this course and where is it going and how does it fit everywhere? So let's start with the goals. The first goal is obviously to understand mobile programming and why it's different from anything that you might have done before if you haven't done mobile programming. So that might seem like something that's obvious, but there is a lot of nuance within this, and I'll try to address most of those things as part of this course. We'll understand the various high-level pieces of Codename 1 and the history of Codename 1, and we'll go rather deep into the APIs and the core concepts behind Codename 1. And that's important to give us a good picture, not just of why, of what we have, but rather of why it's there. And that helps understand the API more in depth. We'll build a simple app and learn how to adapt a design from a theme and from a into a theme and from a PSD file. So there are several things I assume that you've already went through. If you didn't do these things, stop what you're doing right now and go back. You first need to install an IDE. I'm working with NetBeans, but it will work with any IDE. You can use Eclipse or IntelliJ, but the demonstrations will be in NetBeans and the code samples will be in NetBeans. So if you're comfortable with that IDE, you might prefer using that. I am assuming that you've watched the Getting Started videos and actually got a Hello World working, at least on the simulator level. And if you haven't done that, then go to the download section of Codename 1, install the Codename 1 and run the Hello World wizard, essentially. Create a new project, run it, make sure it works. It is also assumed that you know Java reasonably well. You don't need to be an expert in Java, but you need to know enough in order to use it. Ideally, you should know what's a lambda expression in Java as well, although if you don't, it will become obvious really quickly. So those are the prerequisites. Now, this course is actually just the first step. It's one of 3 courses that we have planned at the moment, so there's 2 more. The other 2 will cover more advanced materials and building additional apps and everything. So this course will give you the basics that you need to get started and build a simple app. If you want to build more advanced things and want guidance in that process and you don't want to go through the material alone, then you might want to continue to the other 2 courses as they become available, or if they're available by the time that you are watching this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the course. As you have feedback or thoughts or anything, use the comment sections within the relevant teaching environment to let us know what you think and questions and everything. And as usual, we're always available in the discussion forum for Codename 1 and in Stack Overflow. So let us know. Thank you.